as a founder in a creative space, there are a lot of peaks and valleys. So yes, there are days when you get a lot of creative outlet. It's very, very therapeutic, but you're also handling a lot of chaos, right? So sometimes things can throw you off your equilibrium. You have work. There are so many aspects of work that come together, so many functions. Then there is your personal life. So there are things that can throw you off. And I would be lying if I say that, I'm never thrown off. I am. But how quickly I bounce back and get back to that semblance of organized chaos is what really defines me. I think that is something that I would recommend everybody. Not to believe that you should never be thrown off, but how quickly you bounce back. Another thing is it does get very lonely at the top because there are not a lot of people that, you can lean on. And being at top, you always want to portray this image of being strong, because if you show weakness, all the people who are looking up to you, they feel weaker. So no matter what, you have to project this image of being strong, and you really have to be strong. So I think even before Shobhitam, I've always had this personality of being calm, being very patient. I would not overreact, and that really has helped me. Sometimes you may feel like a particular person in the team has not stood up to what you would expect for them, and that will lead to frustration. But rather than overreacting or getting frustrated, what I've realized over time is to lead by example. Show others how you can handle tough situations, and they follow that in their respective functions. And I've seen that happen, and that really has worked wonders. I think your actions speak louder than your words.